Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you about one important link which contains different kind of documents. It can be new requirements or it can be issues. Okay, so I provide this link in our description and also in the first comment. You can open. So let me go to the link. This is Wiki SCN SAP link about purchasing. Okay, there is an author who collected all the information related to few important topics. So you can check it. What is pricing report, partner determination. Okay, you can go to that. Normal functionality, purchase order, outline agreement, info record, purchase requisition. You can see the multiple topics and the relevant documents related to that. Okay, so I hope it will be helpful. For example, if you see important MM tables, mostly these documents are done by SAP experts or experienced consultants on SAP official site, so that you can check the documents, see important SAP MM tables. So like that, there are multiple documents are available. You can go through and utilize to enhance your skills. If you like the video, click on the like button and share with your SAP circle to help maximum people. Thank you. Thanks for watching.